Here's a surprising stat. According to studies, nearly 40% of homebuyers start shopping without a mortgage pre-approval. And you know what happens? They either fall in love with a home they can't afford, or sellers won't even take their offer seriously. Don't let that be you. Today, I'm breaking down mortgage pre-approval, why it's such a crucial first step, how it saves you money and stress, and the confidence it gives you when you're house hunting. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why pre-approval can be the smartest move you make in your home search. Let's talk about what happens when buyers skip getting their pre-approval first. Without it, you're basically shopping blind. You don't know your real budget, so you might tour a $400,000 house when the bank will only approve you for $325,000. It also weakens your negotiating power. Sellers want proof you can actually close. If you don't have a pre-approval letter, your offer will most likely not even be considered. And here's the kicker. If you do find the perfect home and then start the process, it could take weeks to get your financing in order, and by then, the house is gone. Another buyer with a pre-approval in hand already scooped it up. Now, before we go further, let's clear up one of the biggest areas of confusion: the difference between pre-qualified and pre-approved. Pre-qualification is a quick estimate. You tell a lender your income, debts, maybe they glance at your credit, and they give you a ballpark number of what you might qualify for. It's helpful at first, but it's not verified. Pre-approval goes much deeper. The lender actually reviews your documents, pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and credit history. It's a full check. And at the end, you get a letter that says you're approved up to a certain amount. So sellers know the difference, and so do real estate agents. A pre-qualification is basically a handshake. A pre-approval, that's a signed note from the bank saying you're the real deal. Now let's flip it. Here's what happens when you are pre-approved. First, you know exactly what your budget is, which is your maximum purchase price based on what you're comfortable paying. There's no guessing, no wasting time, no heartbreak over homes out of reach. Second, pre-approval speeds things up. When you're under contract, much of the paperwork is already handled, so closing can move much faster. Third, it makes your offers stronger. Sellers love seeing pre-approval letters. It tells them you're serious and financially ready. In fact, I've seen sellers accept slightly lower offers just because they came from pre-approved buyers. So that's the power of confidence and credibility in the housing market. But here's the biggest benefit: peace of mind. Home buying can be stressful, and having your pre-approval gives you clarity and control. You're not wondering, can I afford this, or will financing hold me back? Instead, you're shopping with confidence, knowing you're ready to make a move fast and competitive when you're submitting offers. That confidence often makes the difference between winning the home of your dreams and watching someone else take the keys. So here's the quick recap. Pre-approval gives you a clear budget, it saves you time, strengthens your offers, and gives you the confidence to shop smarter. Bottom line, it's not just a formality, it's your ticket to a smoother, less stressful home buying journey. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you been pre-approved yet, or are you just getting started with the process? Drop a comment below. And if you want more tips to make your home buying journey easier, check out my other videos on the process. I add new ones every week. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a step.